Yes, people, it's Ramz TV. I'm back again with another video. You know, we're on month number 10 of this hair transplant journey. It's been a long journey, you know, progress is progress. However, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, because it has been a disappointing 2020 for real. So hopefully we can uplift the mood. You know, 2021 is going to be a better year for most people. Do you know what? Just hope everyone has a better year. Hope everyone has a better year. Do you know what? This video, I'm going to talk about a little about my hair transplant. We're on month 10, as I mentioned. And also what I want to do is tell you about a big announcement. So watch the video to the end, because I've got a big announcement to make. But yeah, let's just get into the video. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn your notifications on and make sure you like the video. I'm looking for about 1,000 likes on this video. So we're on month number 10 now. And what I've noticed, there's progress, but we noticed that there isn't going to be a significant amount of an improvement in the areas that need to be. Now, the hair transplant I had, remember, I was a Norwood 7. I was completely bald on top, near enough. So they built a foundation for myself. So the foundation has been built. Now, all it takes is a second hair transplant, and I think, you know, my hair will look decent or good. You know, I've gone into this thing knowing that one hair transplant ain't gonna be enough. 2 will be perfect. But yeah, it's gonna be crazy, man, because it has, if I grow my hair out, which I did before, I like having a little mini afro, but you could tell where it's fit in places. For example, round the sides are perfect, the crown area thin, and also the frontal area also thin as well. But that is expected, you know. So I'm not really bothered by it, because I know what I've got at the minute is good at the minute. I've got the foundation. So yeah, so the next step I'm going to do is show you guys the hair. So this is a 10-month update, people. So yeah, people, so here it is. So we'll see, we have my temples down here. I had no temples on hair at all, and that's coming. As you see here, I had no hair here. That hair's coming. But remember, the light's shining down on it as well. So I'm trying to give you just where natural light is on it. As you see, this hair's grown. I had no hair at all. The hairline's been built here. Same in this area, no hair. It's been built. I had my hair, it was long, it was out of control. Same again there. The temples are coming across, ignore the tattoo. But yeah, this is where we're at in a minute. Now what I'll do, bring my head down. And bear in mind, if you look at my pictures, I had a little hair here, but none around this area here. So we'll get a close up. But I'm happy because it's built the foundation. Has built the foundation, that's what we needed. We know we've got to go back for a second one. We know there's not going to be dramatic improvements, but yeah, this is where we're at in a minute. As I said, people, this was a quick video, quick little update, you know, to show you where I am. That's it. You know, we know we've got to go for a second. We know there's been significant improvements, but we know from now till whenever, I know there's not going to be major improvements in the hair. I know the foundation's been built. I know the second one, when we have it, will be probably the most important one that I have, because that'll get the density that I need. You know, they built the borders, they built the bottom bit. Now it's about putting a little, crossing the T's and dotting the I's now. But yeah, I hope you guys, man, as I said, I've got a big announcement to make. You know, I've got loads of videos in the pipeline. You know, I've been at the gym, cutting weight, you know, I've been doing all sorts. Them videos will come out soon, but I know you guys watch the video from worldwide, man, from United States of America to the UK, you know, from continent of Africa, from Belgium, Italy, France, Holland, you know, Canada, pure of you watch it, and you're waiting for these updates on the hair transplant, man, I feel like I need to give back to like the community. So what I'm gonna do, I want to try hit 2 to 3K subs on this YouTube channel. So if you see this video, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe. And you know what? If I hit that target, I'm doing a giveaway. All I'm saying is that leave a comment, hashtag RamzTV. You know, I want to give away something. So make it happen, because I want to give away something without a doubt. So I'm thinking about giving away 2 prizes out here. So hit that quantum and let's make it work. Let's do this, man. So as I said, giveaway people, let's hit 2 to 3K subs, you know, hashtag RamzTV, leave comments. We need this, man. We're going to get this channel growing in 2021. We're going to release some more videos, man. This is our year, people. And yeah, and you're going to see me jump on a plane to Turkey soon, but I ain't going to mention it. But that's the update, people. I'm glad you like it. Do what you need to do. As I said, a little quick little update, quick announcement, thumbs up, subscribe, and get the hashtagging going, people. Remember, the giveaway is going to happen.